Welcome to your definitive guide, Metaprompting Masterclass, from Foundational Principles to Advanced System Design. Course objective. By the end of this masterclass, you will not just know how to write prompts, you will know how to design, test, and manage AI systems. You will transition from giving the AI simple orders to acting as its manager, architect, and coach. Module 1. The Foundation. Why metaprompting? A simple prompt is a gamble. Metaprompts are a strategy. Most people use AI like this. Write a story about a brave knight. The problem is you have no control. The story could be for a child or an adult, happy or sad, short or long. It's unpredictable. The core mindset shift. Stop being a boss who shouts orders. Start being a manager who provides a clear job description. A metaprompt is that job description. It tells the AI everything it needs to know to do its job perfectly. Module 2. The core framework. The 4 pillars of a perfect prompt. This is the heart of everything we will do. Every professional prompt is built on these 4 pillars. We will build a prompt for a chef AI to illustrate. Pillar 1. Role, the who. Tell the AI who it should be. This sets its personality, tone, and expertise. Prompt text. Role. You are a chef AI, a friendly and helpful culinary assistant. Your purpose is to provide simple, easy-to-follow recipes for beginner cooks. Your tone must be encouraging and clear. Pillar 2. Task and steps. The what and how. Clearly define the goal and break it down into a logical sequence. This is the AI's internal checklist. Prompt text. Task and steps. Your task is to generate a recipe. You must follow these steps in order. 1. State the recipe name. 2. List all ingredients with clear measurements. 3. Provide numbered step-by-step cooking instructions. 4. Give an estimated cooking time and difficulty level. Easy, medium, hard. Pillar 3. Format. The look. Specify the exact structure of the output. This ensures consistency and makes the output usable by other programs or for display on a website. Prompt text. Format. You must format your response using Markdown. Follow this structure exactly. H2, recipe name. Bold text. Difficulty. Easy, medium, hard. Bold text. Time. Estimated time. H3, ingredients. Bulleted list, ingredient 1. H3, instructions. Numbered list, step 1, step 2. Pillar 4, rules and guardrails. The don'ts. Set boundaries. The most important role is an escape hatch, a safe way for the AI to handle requests it can't or shouldn't fulfill. Prompt text. Rules. You must not suggest ingredients that are not typically edible. If the user asks for a recipe for something that isn't food, example, a recipe for happiness, you must respond only with, I'm sorry, as Chef AI, I can only create recipes for delicious food. Module 3. Workshop. Building and testing your first metaprompt. Let's assemble the pillars and see our creation in action. Step 1. Assemble the full prompt. Combine all the text from Module 2 into one block. This is your complete metaprompt. Step 2. Test case 1. The success path. Append a user request to the bottom of your full metaprompt. Append this text. User request, a simple recipe for pancakes. The AI will now follow all your instructions and produce a perfectly formatted pancake recipe. Step 3. Test case 2. The guardrail test. Now let's see if our guardrail works. Append this text instead. User request, a recipe for a car tire. The AI should ignore its normal instructions and only output your predefined error message. This is how you build a reliable and safe system. Module 4. Advanced Techniques, the Executive Chef's Toolkit. You've mastered the basics, now let's learn the techniques of the pros. Technique 1. Few-shot prompting. Show, not just tell. This is the most powerful way to improve accuracy. You provide a few perfect examples of the task being completed. Use case: teaching an AI to categorize customer feedback. Prompt snippet. Examples: feedback: your app is amazing, category compliment. Feedback: I can't find the login button, category usability issue. Feedback: how do I change my password, category question. Your task now. Feedback: the new update is so slow, category. The AI will learn the pattern and correctly categorize the new feedback as a performance issue. Technique 2. Self-critique and iteration. The AI coach. Use a powerful AI to improve your own prompts. How to do it? Paste your entire Metaprompt into a new chat. Add this instruction at the end. You're a world-class prompt engineering expert. Analyze the prompt I provided above. Rewrite it to be more clear, efficient, and robust. Explain the key changes you made and why. The AI will act as your consultant and upgrade your work. Technique 3. Dynamic context. System versus user prompts. For real applications, you need to separate your core instructions from changing information. System prompt. This is your big meta prompt, the 4 pillars. It defines the AI's core identity and abilities. It rarely changes. User/developer prompt. This is temporary information added for a specific task. It changes every time. Example: a customer support AI. System prompt contains the rules for being a polite and helpful agent. Developer prompt that changes for each user. The user's name is Sarah. She bought a Model X100 on May 5th. Her account ID is 48291. Here is her last email. Paste email text. Module 5, the professional's mindset, building AI systems. This module is about the strategy around the prompt. Part 1, the power of Evals. How you know you're winning. An eval is a standardized test for your prompt. You create a list of 10, 50, or 500 plus test cases, like the ones in Module 3, that cover all the situations your AI might face. When you edit your prompt, you run it against your entire eval list. Did performance go up or down? Why it's the crown jewel. Anyone can copy your prompt, but nobody can copy your unique, extensive set of tests that you've built from deep customer knowledge. Evals are how you prove your AI works and gets better over time. Part 2. You are the forward-deployed engineer. This term comes from Palantir, and it's the perfect description of a modern AI builder. Your job isn't to sit in a lab and write code. Your job is to go out and sit next to your users, the salesperson, the doctor, the tractor mechanic, deeply understand their problems, their workflow, and what amazing looks like to them. Go back to your computer and translate that deep human understanding into the cold, hard logic of a metaprompt and a set of evals. Your job is to translate human problems into system logic. Module 6, Capstone Project and Your Path Forward. Your final project, the AI Fitness Coach. Design a complete metaprompt for an AI that creates personalized daily workout plans. Your prompt must include a role, a motivating but responsible fitness coach, dynamic input. It must be able to take a user's fitness level, beginner, intermediate, advanced, and goal, weight loss or muscle gain, as input. A detailed task step list. What should the workout plan include? Example: warm-up, main exercises with sets and reps, cool down. A clear format. Structure the output so it's easy to read on a phone. Critical guardrails. It must include a safety disclaimer and refuse to create plans for people with stated health conditions, telling them to consult a doctor. Your path forward. Congratulations, you've completed the masterclass. You understand the theory, the practice, the advanced techniques, and the professional philosophy. You are no longer just a user of AI. You are now an AI system designer. Go build something amazing.